Welcome back. Today, we're transforming a simple cake into a stunning vintage glitter queen cake. Let's get started. Prepare your piping bags with different decorative tips. Fill them with pink buttercream. We're going to create some beautiful vintage-inspired decorations. We'll start by decorating the top border using the 1M piping tip. Create a series of rosettes around the edge of the top of the cake. This will give it a lovely, elegant finish. Next, switch to the 4B piping tip and pipe an inner circle just inside the top border. This adds another layer of texture and design to our cake. Now, let's move on to the sides of the cake. Begin by marking the half circles where you'll pipe the decorations. This will help keep everything even and symmetrical. Using the leaf piping tip, pipe frills along the marked half circles on the sides of the cake. This creates a beautiful, vintage frilled effect. Then, add a center line of buttercream in each half circle to enhance the design. To add a touch of vintage charm, carefully place satin ribbons around the cake, securing them in elegant bows. Let me show you how to tie a perfect ribbon bow for a vintage look. Start by cutting a length of ribbon. Make a loop on each side, then cross the loops over each other and pull them through to create a bow. Adjust the loops and tails until you're happy with the shape. Secure the bow in place on the cake with a small dab of buttercream. For the final touch, sprinkle some edible glitter over the top of the cake. This adds a magical sparkle and truly makes our cake fit for a queen. And there you have it, our vintage glitter queen cake. Perfect for any special occasion. Doesn't it look absolutely stunning? Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes and decorating tips. See you next time.